friends, welcome to our channel. I am Ashanna, Director of Sadhana Study Circle. I have been teaching mathematics last 26 years. Friends, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. Friends, in this video, I would like to teach you rational numbers. In this chapter rational number, we are going to learn decimal representation of rational numbers. These are of two types: terminating decimals, non-terminating decimals. Second one, conversion of decimal form into rational form. These also two forms: converting terminating decimal to rational form and converting a non-terminating recurring decimal to rational form. Let us learn one by one. First, decimal representation of rational numbers. The decimal representation of every rational number is terminating or non-terminating. First, terminating decimal. What is a terminating decimal? The rational number which terminates in the process of division is called terminating decimal. Let us observe two examples to understand terminating decimal. Here we have a rational number 17 by 5. To convert terminating decimal, we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. Five threes are 15. Now we have to keep the decimal point in the dividend and end of the quotient, and also put a 0 after the decimal point in the dividend as well as in remainder. Now continue the division. 5 fours are 20, 0. So 17 by 5 is equal to 3.4. Next, second one, 25 by 16. To find decimal number for this, we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. Sixteen ones are 16, 15 minus 6, 9, 0. Now we have to keep the decimal point in the dividend and quotient at the end of the quotient. Now put a 0 after the decimal point in the dividend as well as in the remainder. Now continue the division. 16 5 is 80, 0, 1. We can bring down every time 1 0 in the remainder. Here we have so many zeros, as many zeros as we need. So 16 5 is 16 6 96, 4, 4 0. 16 2s are 32, 8, 16 5s are 80, so 0. 25 by 16 is equal to 1.5625. So this is the answer. Second one, non-terminating recurring decimal. What is a non-terminating recurring decimal? The rational number which do not terminate but repeat the same part again and again in the process of division is called non-terminating recurring decimal. To understand this, let us observe two examples. First one, 5 by 11. To convert a rational number into non-terminating recurring decimal, we have to divide the numerator by the denominator. Five is not divisible by 11. That's why keep a decimal point and zeros, as many zeros as we need. Now keep this decimal point in the quotient. Here we have 50. Now 11 4s are 44. 6, bring down the 0. 11 5s are 55. 10 minus 5, 5. Now we can keep 0 in the remainder. Here we have as so many zeros. As many zeros as need we can bring down. 11 4s are 44. 6, here 4 only. Bring down 0. 11 5s are 55. So here 5 0. 11 4s are 44. 6, here 4 only. 2 0. 11 5s are 55. So 5. So we understood every time we are getting some numbers in as remainder, here repeating 4 5 4 5 4 5 like this repeating. So 5 by 11 is equal to 0.454545 and so on, like this repeating. We can represent this keeping a bar. Which part is repeating? 44 5 is repeating, so we can keep like this bar. Which same number is repeating, we can keep a bar. So 5 by 11 is equal to 5 by 11 is equal to 0.45. Next 1 by 7. Let us observe this. Not divisible by 1 is not divisible by 7. That's why keep a point in dividend, and also keep a point in dividend and 0. Now shift to this decimal point to the quotient. Here we have 10, 7 ones are 7. 3. Here we have so many zeros. As many need we can bring down. So 1 0 need. 7 4s are 28. 2 0. 7 2s are 14. 6 7 8s are 56. 4 7 5s are 35. 5 0 7 7s are 49. 1 7 ones are 7. 3 7 4s are 28. 2 7 2s are 14. 6 7 8s are 56. 4 7 5s are 35. 5 again we can continue here. 7 7s are 49. 1 7 1s are 7. 3 7 4s are 28. 2 7 2s are 14. 6 7 8s are 56. 4 7 5s are 35. 5 7 7s are 49. 1. So here every time we have some remainder. If we observe this quotient, we can get an idea. Some number is repeating again and again. 1 4 2 8 5 7. This 1 4 1 4 2 8 1 4 2 8 5 7. 1 4 2 8 5 7. This is repeating. We have checked, we have done 3 times repeating. So that's why we can write it 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. The recurring part is called period. In this recurring part, 1 4 2 8 5 7. Recurring means repeating part. So repeating part is 1 4 2 8 5 7 is called period. And what is a periodicity? The number of digits in recurring part. The number of digits in recurring part is called periodicity. In this, how many number of digits? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 is the periodicity. Let us observe in this previous problem. Period, the recurring part of in this decimal, non-terminating decimal is 4 5. 4 5 is repeating 4 5 4 5 4 5. So 4 5 is period. And periodicity, the number of digits in the recurring part, 1 2, so 2. This is the periodicity. Conversion of decimal form into rational form. First, converting terminating decimal to rational form. To understand this, let us observe these two examples. Example 1, 12.5. To convert a decimal fraction to rational form, first we have to write the given number without decimal in the numerator. 12.5 we have to write without taking decimal point. We have to write in numerator 125 and write 1 in the denominator, and as many zeros in the decimal part we have to write those many zeros after 1. Here 1 decimal point part, so we have to write 1 0. 5, if possible we have to make it in simplest form, so 5 0, so divisible with 5 table, 5 2s, 5 5s, 5 2s, 25 by 2. Next, one more example, 12.75. First we have to write given number without decimal in the numerator, 1275. Write 1 in the denominator, and as many decimal places, as many numbers in decimal part, we have to write those many zeros after 1. So here 2, we have to write 2 zeros. If possible, we have to make it in simplest form. These are 5 as common, so we have to cancel with taking 5. 5 2s, 5 5s, 5 5s, 5 2s, 5 zeros, 5 5s, 5 1s, 5 4s, 51 by 4. This is the simplest form for 12.75. Converting a non-terminating recurring decimal into rational form. To convert a non-terminating recurring decimal into rational form, we have to do some process. Let us observe these two examples. Let x is equal to 0.4 bar. Then x is equal to 0.4 bar means 4 is recurring part, so we have to repeating. Recurring means repeating part we have to show like this, repeating. This is equation number 1. Here we have periodicity. Here periodicity is 1 only repeating. So that's why we have to multiply on both sides by 10. Multiply both sides, multiply both sides multiply both sides of equation 1 by 10. On 10 into x is equal to 10 into 0.444 and so on. 10 into x, 10x. On right side, to multiply by 10, shift the decimal to the right by one place. So here will come. So 4.444 and so on. This is equation number 2. We have to subtract equation 1 from equation 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1. We have to do this. So equation 1, x is equal to 0.444 and so on. This is equation 1. We have to subtract this. 9 minus 10 minus 1, 9x is equal to 0, 0, 0, 4. This dash. No need of writing these zeros. So x is equal to this point also no need, 4 by 9. This in multiplication quantity become division quantity. X is equal to 4 by 9. X means 0.4 bar is equal to 4 by 9. So this is the answer. Without doing this much process also, we can write answer. Write the recurring part as a numerator and how many digits in recurring part, those many, right? 9 nines we have to write. This is the answer. Next example 2. Here the periodicity is 2. Let x is equal to 0.45. 445 is bar. Then x is equal to 0.45, 45, 45 and so on. This is equation number 1. Here periodicity is 2. That's why we have to multiply on both sides by 100. Multiply on both sides by 100. On left hand side, 100 into x. On right hand side, 100 into 0.45, 45, 45 and so on. 100 into x, 100x is equal to multiply by 100, shift to the decimal to the right by 2 places. To multiply a decimal by 100, shift the decimal to the right by 2 places. So 45.45, 45, 45 and so on. This is equation number 2. We have to subtract equation 1 from this equation 2. X is equal to 0.45, 45, 45 and so on. This is equation 1. 100 minus 1, 99, x is equal to dash 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5, 4. No value these zeros. Point also no value. 45 by 99. If possible, we have to make the rational number always in simplest form, means standard form. 9 table, 9 5s are 45, 9 1s are 9 1s are. So x 5 by 11. 5 by 11 x means what? 0.45 bar is equal to 5 by 11. Without doing this much process also, we can write answer directly. You may apply this shortcut in competitive exams. 45, the recurring part we have to write in numerator, and how many digits in recurring part, those many nines we have to write as a denominator. This is the answer. This is not answer, we have to keep it in simplest form. 9 5s, 9 1s, 9 1s, 5 by 11. Friends, I think you understood each and every concept about rational numbers. Thank you. Thank you for watching my video. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get my latest updates. And also share it to your friends to help them and encourage for me to make more interesting videos.